Hi guys, Jamie from Advance here. Today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to connect your Bluetooth to your mobile device in a Ford Transit Custom. All we need to be doing is pressing the phone button. Obviously we've had no phones connected, so all we need to do is press OK, press add. So what this will do, as you can see, it says add there. All we need to be doing is pressing this button here. These buttons represent those on the screen there. So all we need to press is add here.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So that will say that the Bluetooth is called sync, so I'll need to find that when I go into search. Turn the Bluetooth on your phone. I'm using an iPhone. Scroll down, find the sync one, connect.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
It does correctly, yeah. Thank you. So pair that together. Press yes on the board. I'm not going to allow it to sync my contacts because it's only for the purpose of the video. I unfortunately don't drive a Transit Custom. Pairing successful, fantastic. So all we need to do now is press the phone. Turn that off. All it was going through there was just an explanation to don't use your phone while you drive, which is fair enough. It's asking me on the dashboard too now to accept my download of phone book. I don't want to do that obviously, so I'm going to press no. And then from then on in, you've got your connection to Bluetooth, your phone book, if you give it the access, text messages, speed dials, and the phone settings. So that would be things like your ringtone for the car, not for your phone, and your master for your section of phone. So you can have this as a connection for the phone / music, or just the phone, or just the music if you've got a passenger. So you've got different settings in there you can use for different things. If you want to play Bluetooth music, so we're not using a cable here at all. If you want to use music played through your phone, whether that's for your passenger or whether that's for yourself. So on the phone setting here, all we need to do is press aux, and pressing aux will scroll through to a section that it obviously realizes is connected. So you can go through the sections of Bluetooth audio, you can go through music from your device, so you can scroll through that, or you can use a USB device. But obviously it realizes that it's connected through Bluetooth, so it automatically puts that option up there first. So to hear that, do not use your phone while you're driving, guys. It's really dangerous. So I would recommend putting it down into a glove box or some compartments. There's plenty in the Transit Custom. One down there, for example, by the driver's foot. Yeah, please do be careful on the roads when using your phone. But that's how you connect the Bluetooth on a Ford Transit Custom. So this is how you delete a BT user or Bluetooth user. All you need to do, go into phone, click down. Eventually you'll find Bluetooth devices, or BT devices it's all called on cars. Then you'll see all of the people added to the Bluetooth devices. Obviously only me for this time. So all we need to do is press the delete button on the dashboard and then confirm that you want to delete it. And it
phone disconnected.
There we go, gives you the confirmation of the phone being disconnected. So that's how you delete it. Very simple, very easy. Thank you very much.